Happy New Year si January 1 at 8 o'clock. 2025, welcome. God bless. Ito ang aming breakfast. Kauwi ko lang galing trabaho. Kaya ubusin ko lahat ito. Salmon, lechon, seafood mix, siomai, lumpia, botsi, buro, boro, wow. Ayan ang kakainin ko. Laban. Laban, so good. January 1, 2025. Wow, okay, that's it.